Welcome to the Bitchin Bowl Challenge, Acai Bowl edition. Ari, do you love smoothies?
Yes.
Do you love acai?
Yes.
We're gonna make an acai bowl with bitchin sauce. What flavor?
Salted caramel.
It's gonna be so good. Let's get started. Okay, so Ari is going to grab a banana, plop it in, huh? We already have our acai in there. They're a real beast to get out of those packages, I tell you what, but they did it. Good job. Here, I'll take that trash. All right, and then we have some apple juice. Go ahead. Lovely. And we're gonna top this with a bunch of fruits, which I have to start chopping a couple of these, but Ari's gonna keep doing the rest of this great smoothie section. Okay, and then we're gonna add this salted caramel. You can use a spoon, and I think just put a bunch of it. We already used some of it to make some granola, which we showed you last time. We showed you how to make granola with bitchin sauce. It's delicious. I think we showed you chocolate. It's the same thing, but we just did salted caramel. And it's still delicious. I think that looks pretty good. Am I missing something? I don't think so. All right, we're gonna blend it up, and I'm not gonna do that with you on the camera because it's gonna be loud. What do you think? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thick.
All right, just.
Still sizzling.
Perfect. Now we're gonna decorate it. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to put some granola over the top, and that's going to be lovely. Beautiful. Just whole bunch right on there. Oh yeah.
This is gigantic.
It is kind of a gigantic acai bowl, but I'm excited about it. Okay, and then we're going to put on our fruit.
Raspberry.
Okay, you're gonna do raspberries. I'm gonna do some kiwis here and there. That was so many raspberries, and I love it. Strawberries. Are you just gonna eat that? Are you setting it aside for? That was very well done. This is fun.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I should make like a.
It's like designing your clothes, but with food.
Yeah. Okay, let's get some blackberries on there. Okay, let's do some of these. I'll let you artfully arrange them. I'm just gonna plop some wheels of banana on there. Okay, now we put on the coconut. I like the coconut. It's raining coconut. Mmm. I got a bunch on there. That and the granola is gonna be so crispy, delicious. It's time for the salty caramel drizzle.
Ooh. Thick.
That looks so nice.
Just going in circles.
Just going in circles. You know, you don't want to be hasty. You just want to get a good even spread. I'm gonna make a little flag on the top. Whoop, whoop. What do you think?
Nice.
All right, let's dig in. You get brain freeze? How is it? Choice? That is so good.
It's really good.
The salted caramel is so good on this. It's like the greatest treat. Oh yeah, I can see you're aiming for the good salty bits. Okay, well, Ari called dibs on eating the rest of this bowl and any leftovers, but she may have to challenge me. Thanks, Ari. Thanks for helping me make this.
Mm-hmm.
And for your great love of smoothies. And for your sweet, sweet self. We're thankful for this bowl. We're thankful for each other. And for you. Have a bitchin' day.
Have a bitchin' day.